How to set your own photo widgets in iPhone home screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Photos application on your device, and further, go ahead and open the picture that you want to add as widget. For instance, I will tap on this picture. It can be any picture and it can also be your own picture. Now, tap on the share icon on the bottom left of your screen and scroll down, and you will see the option for add to album. Tap on that, and now go ahead and tap on the plus icon you see there. Further, go ahead and name the album and then tap on the create option you see there. Now, go back to your home screen and tap hold on your home screen until the app starts to jiggle. Further, tap on the edit option on the top left of your screen and then tap on the add widget option there. Now go ahead and scroll down and you will see the option for photos. Tap on that and then swipe through and you will see various options for the widget, that is the album. So scroll to the album tab and then go ahead and choose an album to shuffle it throughout the day. Once you have selected the album, tap on the add widget option, and with this the widget will be added. Now tap on the widget and you will see the choose option there. So tap on the choose option and then go ahead and choose the album that we just created, and with this, as you can see, you got that particular picture as widget. So this is how you can add photo widget of yourself on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.